Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how we can install Sublime Text Editor, which is a pretty good text editor like Notepad++. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So well, you can download this from official Sublime site or from another site. So I have already downloaded it, and I will just install this. Open, run, click yes. Next, next, install. It's a very fast editor, you can use this. Finish. So now you can see this, it has been installed in our PC. So I will just open it. So now you can see this, our Sublime Text Editor has been ready, and you can use this. You can start your new project by just clicking on the new file, and your project will start. You can code on it, you can make a website on it. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.